Hey you, it's Sunjung from Hungry Gopher. I have something very special for you today. I'm sharing the kimchi secret session that I had with Chris, one of my kimchi student in the kimchi master course. So he has some excellent questions, and this is the part 2 video. And this video will help you if you have some kimchi questions to answer some of your questions.
How much do you usually make in a batch?
Oh boy, let's see. It depending on, I don't know if you have just regular, depending on the season and the time. I usually make a big batch. Average Korean eats about 40 pounds of kimchi per person a year. So I do my share, probably eat a little more, even though I don't live in Korea anymore. But it depends on how much you enjoy it. How I really like it. Well, for example, since we're getting to the hot summer, what I enjoy in the summer a lot is what's called water kimchi, 물 kimchi. I don't know if you have tried it yet. It's in the course. I believe it's.
Oh, it's like the white kimchi?
No, it's called 물 kimchi, so it's water kimchi. So what it is that it incorporates a large volume of liquid, which is water. So the veggie part is actually water is about maybe 50-60%, and the veggie part is actually less, could be a lot less than that, like 40% or less. For this one, it's a very common kimchi in Korea, but less known outside of Korea. When I go kimchi demo and give the presentation, this is the one that I usually make because it literally takes 5 minutes to make it. Like it's so simple, and you can literally. This is a really good one to use fermentation and practice because you just need water, salt, and vegetable of your choice. So anything, just even with onion, just onion only.
Oh, that sounds good.
So try it. It's very refreshing. What I found out, well, my husband is American. He was born and raised in Midwest. When I make this 물 kimchi, I go real heavy with liquid these days. It's almost like 90% liquid because my husband drinks a big jar of it every day. He's like he just drinks it shot, and I found that often when I give a presentation, people just drink it up and they keep coming back like, oh, can I just have liquid? They keep drinking it. They call me probiotic shots.
Wow, that sounds really good.
All right, so you can so this one you can eat it on its own, and when you with barbecue and like whatever dish you enjoy, I don't know what other food you enjoy. You said you like Korean food, so it's good. You put it in the refrigerator really cold and nice and refreshing. It's very mild, unlike other kimchi. So it's very easy to be acquainted, and just you can. I mean, when it's hot, I eat it probably like half a liter a day. I just
a lot
of it. So try it. It's very simple. It's in the course. I'll give it a shot. It's called water kimchi. So you can make it white, like peg kimchi, or you can make it red, and more pungent. So that's really up to you. Discover more kimchi recipes and health and wellness tips at hungrygopher.com.